Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss about anti-leprotic drug structures. So as you all know, very famous drug which belongs to category anti-leprotic is nothing but dapsone. So today we are going to talk about the structural features of dapsone along with its SAR, that is structural activity relationship. So coming towards its structure, the structure is, as you can see here, it is dapsone. So first feature is, if you will start from here, the benzene ring to which at para position NH2 is attached. So this is nothing but aniline. So benzene ring NH2 is aniline. So as you can see, in between two anilines there is SO2, that is nothing but a sulfone group, which is a characteristic feature of dapsone. So sulfone group, and here one aniline, to left hand side, and to right hand side one aniline. So according to the structural features of dapsone, the dapsone is known by the common name called as dapsone, plus it is also known as this diamino diphenyl sulfone. So it is nothing but DDS, that is diamino. Since there are two NH2, it is diamino, one NH2 and second NH2. Diamino diphenyl, one phenyl, second phenyl. So it is diamino plus diphenyl sulfone, this SO2. So it is also known by the name DDS, that is diamino diphenyl sulfone. Then again the next structural feature is, it is having dianilino group, that is again the two aniline rings, plus sulfone group, that is SO2. So if we will break this structure into parts, so what is the first feature? It is NH2, which is nothing but a functional group called as amine. Then next to NH2 is what? This is benzene ring, but since it is attached to substituent, it is phenyl. So benzene, that is C6H5, since it is attached, it is phenyl. Then next structural feature is SO2, that is sulfone. So this sulfone group is very essential for its anti-leprotic activity. That means to show its action on the causative microorganism, that is Mycobacterium leprae. So this sulfone group is essential for the activity. Then again coming towards the next feature, this complete ring and NH2 is aniline. Aniline group is also very essential for the activity. Then substitution of this phenyl ring, if it is done, then it is responsible for decreasing the activity. If that ring is either replaced with any of the heterocycle, then also it is responsible for the decreasing activity. So both substitution on this ring as well as replacement of this ring with some other heterocyclic ring are responsible for decreasing the activity. Replacement of these NH2 with either NO2 or hydroxy, some other functional groups, are also responsible to produce inactive compounds. In this structure, as you can see here, instead of NH2, this replacement of this NH2 by aldehyde functional group is responsible for formation of prodrug. That is, prodrug, as you all know, it is a inactive drug which converts into active drug through metabolic transformation in the body. So aldehyde substitution instead of NH2 is resulting into the formation of prodrug. So these were the structural features including the SAR of dapsone. So in exam the questions asked are, first straight away dapsone structure is asked, or give the structure of DDS, or they will ask you the structure which contains dianilino group, or they may ask you the structure which contains sulfone group. So the chemical name also is at 4th position and 4' position there is presence of 2 amino group. So it is 4 diamino, 2 phenyl hai to diphenyl, and this is basic group, that is sulfone. With this we finish with the dapsone. Thank you.